Why? Oh, I catch some criminal this morning out on the road there in a squaddy. Yeah, man. Come out here. But come out heartless this morning in a squaddy. And I joke with the boy them on the road, From taxi go right down to private vehicle. When I ease up on them today, we are show them who are the done out here this morning. You understand? Yeah, man. We are going to show them who run the street. Yeah. Right, see a big fat beamer come there. Flag down that and pull over the boy, make the boy come over here so. Yes. License and registration. And when I take no talk. So let me ask you a question. How work you do? Officer, what kind of thing that you ask me? I say what type of work you do? Answer the question and don't give the officer any talk. So let me ask a question now. In a poor country like this, where a man like you do with a crisp beamer, or you come by that beamer there, you work. What type of work you do? Me ask you, what type of work you do? What type of work you do? Don't give the officer any talk, what type of work you do. Because if your name not good in this country, you not do no business, you're not supposed to drive no beamer. You understand? Pass up your license and registration. Alright, officer, sit here. But you don't have one of them big names in our country. Your name not say nothing. What type of name this? Your last name not make no sense. You don't have no money. No man, you don't have no money, man. You don't have no family who left nothing for you. So how you come by a beamer? You're a scammer. No, we're going to have to send for the record this morning until you can forthcoming with proper documents or you come by that beamer there. You hear? Well, the record is here. Put the vehicle up on the record because him can't tell the officer on come by that vehicle there. Like say, and them are running street. Them no know say we are running street out here. And we not take no talk from no boy out here. Flag down the next one there. The kingfish there. Pull him over. Morning, you feel we morning. Yo. Morning. License and registration. You depend yes, you have to go to work. The officer not responsible for that. The officer doing duty. I said license and registration. But that fitness you not look horrible. No man, that fitness number you don't match. Where you get the fitness from? I buy a fitness. Officer, what kind of thing that you say, officer? People are buy fitness. But it not match the vehicle. It's a stolen vehicle this year drive. The chassis number no match. Hey, Squaddy. No man, lock up that boy, man. Lock up that boy. The chassis number you no match. No man. See it there, man. No man, him have to go down to the station. Yeah man, to rectify that one here. Yes. Nothing cast up the street run no boy. You know, pump out here this morning, We run the street, What happened to them officer boy this morning, man? Hmm? I war them are looking at morning here, you know. Hey boy, easy yourself, you know, kind of talking them the Yagi police. Eh? Hey boy, shut up your mouth, you know. Hey boy, we put you on TikTok, you know. We video you, you know. I make them see how not deal with people in the street, you know. How not deal with people good, you know. See a taxi man a come there, pull him over. Over here, so, over here, so. License and registration. And where you go with 6 people in a vehicle? Eh? Car license for car 5, where you do with 6? Eh? And then on a taxi police. I disturb you know. Hey. Listen to me now. I'll put the car up on the record. Empty the vehicle. Empty the vehicle. I said to empty the vehicle. Step out. Empty the vehicle. Put it up on the record. Well, officer, you can't give me a chance, man. Officer don't work with chance. Chance is when you buy a balloon. Officer don't work like that. The officer is doing his work. I'm gonna give you a $5,000 ticket this morning. Yes, a $5,000 ticket. Yes. Your passenger have a no seat belt. That is $1,000 for no seat belt. For the passenger. You and the passenger can work that out. And a $5,000 ticket for you for driving. Having 6 people in the vehicle. You are over the limit. The car supposed to carry 5 passengers. 4 and you make 5. You can count? Did you check the fitness paper? The license paper? To see? All these years you've been driving, you don't know how much people supposed to be in the vehicle? It's not a 7-seater you're driving. It's a 5-seater. Okay? So you're going to get a $5,000 ticket and put the car up on the record. The officer is not joking this morning. We come out this morning with no mercy. Okay? Alright. And if you don't pay for that ticket, you know what's going to happen. Okay, you have to go to the traffic court. Alright then, officer, alright. Please to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be appreciated. And please to watch for more informative videos coming up.